It's Monday, August the 12th. It's a really nice day outside. Still a little too warm to do much, but I did get to go out there this morning and water my garden. I have not done anything on my bedroom yet. I'm just avoiding it. It's going to be a long and nasty process to clean that place out the way it needs to be. So I've been putting it off. Plus it's really hot in there too. Even with my cooler on, that room always stays hot all year round. It's too hot in the winter, it's too hot in the summer. I don't even know why I use it as a bedroom, other than it is the master bedroom. Anyway, I think I'd rather have more fun working on the puzzle today than doing any other work. Just my mood today. I will get around to working on my room at some point. Not today. Let's get on the puzzle. It's time to take a break. I'll show you a little bit of what's going on here. See all of these little pieces with bits of the sailboats, the people on them, the riggings, all of that, the cabins, all of this stuff. Very tiny, so you know that in the picture, they're also going to be very tiny. And when I tried to figure out where things go looking at the picture, it was really causing a lot of pain on my eyes because my eyes don't converge very well. So then I had to go dig out my magnifying glass so that I could see on the picture. I tend to not look at the picture too much, but when things are really busy, it's helpful. So that's where I'm at. I'm going to take a break, rest my eyes, and feed my cats. Well, we are just cooking along with these sailboats. Got some more of these 3 big ones filled in, and I got all that one on the edge over there, and I've sorted out the other large one. So we're going pretty good here. I put in 250 pieces today. We are still on track for September the 5th. And total time on this section, 31 hours, 17 minutes. Overall, total time is now 256 hours and 30 minutes. It's Wednesday, August 14th. It's a really nice day outside. Still a little too warm to do any outside projects. I'll get to them at some point. I did get a start yesterday on cleaning my bedroom. I didn't get very far with it, but hey, I started. I didn't do anything on the puzzle yesterday. So I'm gonna get right to it today. I'm having a lot of fun doing these sailboats, getting a lot of stuff done with them. So I'm gonna be working more on the sailboat area again today. Here we go. Look at all I got done. All of the sailboats in place and connected from one side all the way to the other side. That was great. Maybe the key is watching Star Trek reruns on TV. That's what I was doing. 326 pieces. September 2nd is now the new date. I don't think that'll last, but who knows? Maybe I should just watch more Star Trek. 34 hours and 30 minutes. So that was just a little over 3 hours I did that much. And our total time on the whole puzzle is now 259 hours, 43 minutes. Woohoo! It's Thursday, August 15th. There's two things I love about today. One is I get to go dancing later, and two is it's after 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't even had to turn the cooler on yet. So it's very comfortable. I don't think it'll get over 90 degrees outside today, so it's been very comfortable indoors today. Just getting to the point where I will probably have it running while I'm working on the puzzle. But I'm also going to be watching Star Trek reruns again. Look at how great I did yesterday while watching Star Trek reruns. Isn't that fun? Anyway, let's get to working on it. I'm going to work on the water around the sailboats today, see what I can piece together there, and fill in anything I happen to see that I recognize. So here we go. Let's get started. Well, meh, I didn't get all that far. Got some dolphin filled in. And then I started shape sorting the pieces because there's just a lot of these and there's not a whole lot of variation to them. They're all pretty darn similar. So this might be a bit of a trial. I don't know how long I'm going to stick with this, but it's got to be done sometime. All right, let's go to the numbers. Time so far, 37 hours, 22 minutes on this section. Total time, 262 hours, 35 minutes. And my piece count was 105. That pushes me back one day to September the 3rd. Okay. Well, I'm still going to finish in plenty of time. I'm not concerned about that. Today is Friday, August 16th. And if my grandmother was still alive, today would be her 133rd birthday. Genealogy is another hobby of mine. I don't get to work on it very often because I have nothing but brick walls left to work on, really. But it's fun once in a while, and I love to look at old photographs. So here's an old photograph of my grandmother. Now, since I didn't get all that much done yesterday, I might go and work some more on the water today I don't know that I'm going to have much fun with that part. It's pretty tricky. Very similar pieces, not much difference in any of them. So sorting by shape is necessary here. And even then, it's still going to be a while. Well, anyway, let's get going. Well, this section is proving to be very hard and time-consuming. The only way to get through it is to sort by piece shape. And there's one other little trick I've used. And if you've done big puzzles before, you're probably aware of this. If you haven't done a big puzzle before, you may not know this, but generally anything over 1,000 pieces, maybe 1,500, the cut gets repeated. That is, there will be pieces on that side that are the exact same shape as pieces on this side. And where you look here is on this puzzle, you can see that these pieces along this edge here, where the cut begins, are all wider than the pieces next to them. So those fatter pieces show you where this cut begins. And when you come out to the middle, you look for those wide pieces. And they're right here. And the cut ends here and begins here. So this piece here, see if I can get this out without hurting it. This is the beginning of the cut, the same as on this side, this piece right here. So it's going to fit exactly in that spot. So what I did while I was working on this was I would pull pieces out from that side that were already placed and find their counterparts over here, so I would see what shape I was actually looking for. So for example, let's say I want to find this piece. So I'm looking for these shapes here, right? How far away is this from the edge? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's the 16th piece that I'm looking for from the edge. So again, coming back out here to the center, starting from here, 1, 2, 3. Gotta count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So get this guy out, try not hurting him. Okay. And so I know that's the shape I'm looking for. And it's this exact shape because this is going to fit in here exactly the same. So I want to find this piece, and actually I think that's it. I think this is it right here. It looks like that matches up exactly. I think that's it. So let's put that guy in just like that. There we go. And that goes right there. Oops, sorry, I'm going to put this guy back now where he came from. Okay. So, because that was very time consuming, and it took a lot of time just to get in a few pieces, I only got 82 pieces in. But, keeping in the average, I'm still September 5th. Not too bad. Time, 42 hours so far. And on the whole puzzle, 267 hours and 15 minutes. Gotta keep picking away. It's Saturday, August 17th, and it's beautiful outside today. The weather's starting to cool down a bit, and I will probably be doing some of my outside projects pretty soon if it keeps cooling down even more. I got to go spend time with donkeys this morning, and I spent time in town, and I had to stop at the new Dollar Tree. Yeah, why my town needs two Dollar Trees, I don't know. It's a small town, but now we have a second Dollar Tree. So I stopped in just to see what they had. I'm so glad Dollar Tree has puzzles because, you know, I just can't afford to buy all those really lovely puzzles that I have on my Amazon wish list. Hint, hint. Anyway, I got these lovely little puzzles. They're art box puzzles. Look at this one. Nice little kitty artwork here. That's cute, very colorful. I like that. And then this one is called Cat Person. A nice, easy 350-piece puzzle for a nice, relaxing hour or so. And then this one, it's not a cat, but it was so cute, I could not pass it up. So we'll see how I like this one. Look at this guy. I mean, is that cute or what? Anyway, when I got home today, I spent the rest of the afternoon editing a video, and now I've got it uploading, and hopefully that will be done uploading by sometime tomorrow. Right now, even though it's after 6 o'clock, I'm gonna spend some time working on this guy. So I'll probably be working on the same thing I worked on yesterday, just trying to get more of that water done, and then maybe I'll move on. You know, I'm kind of really looking forward to the fish this time around. I know, that seems weird, but the fish just look so varied and colorful. I think I'm gonna enjoy them, and I'm probably gonna go to them right after I'm done messing with the water. So, let's get going. Okay, I was determined to get 100 pieces in before I go to bed. So that really reduced the number of pieces to work on. But I still have that part over there to go. And that will have to wait until tomorrow because it's late. And so, oh goodness, here's some clear. 45:29, so I put 3.5 hours in on it. I got my 100 pieces, and I'm back to September 6th. Total time so far, 270 hours, 42 minutes. Good night. It's Sunday, August 18th, and it's the very definition of a lazy Sunday afternoon. The weather outside has been so nice, I don't even want to go inside the house. But you know, that section of the puzzle just needs to get finished because it's kind of boring and I want to get done with it and go on to the fish. I think I'm going to enjoy the fish this time around. So, even though it's lovely outside and I'm enjoying sitting out here having a nice ice cold beverage, I think I'd better go inside and get to work on the puzzle now. Okay, let's go. I did it. I got all that water area done. Woohoo! So, 48:51 on this section. That's about 3.5 hours. Total time on the whole puzzle so far, 274 hours and 4 minutes. And that was 196 pieces, which Siri then says I'll be done September 6th again. Oh, I'm so glad I got through that part. Now I can go on to something more fun. Well, that definitely felt like swimming uphill through all that water. And even though it feels like kind of a denouement, I'm ending the video here on that accomplishment because I'm taking a few days off. The next video will start with the fish part of the section, but you may not see it unless you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when that video will come out. And also, please like, leave a comment, and share. All of these things help the algorithm and will push these videos out to more people. And then I can welcome even more of my new subscribers. I am looking forward to that. So until the next one, I hope you're enjoying your nice afternoon. And I certainly hope you are enjoying your life.